Guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to install the Thumbtack app on a device. Now if you want to install the Thumbtack app on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So if you are not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to install the Thumbtack app on a device. So after that you just need to open the App Store on your iPhone, and if you are the Android user, then you just need to open the Play Store on your device. So this is the home page of App Store, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the search box at the very top. So click on the option of search box and you may simply search Thumbtack. So after searching Thumbtack, you may click on the option of search, and here you can see the option of Thumbtack Home Service Pros. So you may click on the option of Get, which is highlighted on blue, and if you're installing it for the first time, then it asks you to double tap on the power button to verify it. So you may click on the option of install, and after doing all of it, as you can see, the installation process has already started on my device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.